Edin yam jiso e Apostle Dr. Anita Kotego. Na miti konyamu a mede dwumadi ato ne din Nkuranhyesem na mede brɛw e wo Adum TV. Ene ye kasa afa brabo asoro kire ho. How to meander through the storms of life. Onipa bia. So your ba say bema. So penisa akwada. Abrebe ba be fa so kire mu. Ene ka brabo ho. Abrabo ya afro sane. Abrabo eye munchimunka. Abrabo wo odemre ena wo oyamre. Sutobre wo ho ena owiabre wo ho. Se de tie bia no. Eba no awade mu. Wo se kasemu, wapomudnimu, kaneke. Dore bia abrabo be sifom. Na aya ne sa asokire anya wo. Eba ne sa de na se meyo. The so ye ne say you have to find a reason to keep going. You have to find a reason to keep going. Don't use your circumstances as a sofa bed to lie down and murmur and worry. E ma brabo a enya wo no enda ne mpa ena so empeja wo na no nsa mebre o asayi o enya me o da bi. Se wo sinkete se ba bia duro no. Mepenyansa mehye me hu nkran na mepensempa atie wo enyansafo ho na medu anamontuo akomanim. Every human being has what it takes to overcome what they go through if they decide to pursue it. Onipa bia onyame de ne pene ne sunsuma hye mu o se obo se ne se so se emfa wo ne ateta kopan so ko duro mi onyankopon mi hu wiase na wiase aye nsuo ne esumka bi na me frɛ han semra na baye na me pamu nsuo fi asase ani na asase ye hwantan sa tumi ne me ama emfa hu nsuo abu abrabo mu emfa hu esum dodo abu abrabo mu ni abadwene ho ni abeyo ni abesusu ho ebebem o se ni abesusu ho da bibisa no obeyo ama na abroso ama wo. Whatever you can ask, think of and imagine, he will do it exceedingly and abundantly. Ya na asem to ya na eka no ena ebem. Ya na asem to ya de susu ho etimu no ena ebem. Aware se na tie mabere o aware de enye ye da meja akọ ampa enye ye na abeja akọ. He asai atete apansamu a esai nyansa ne tumidi a wo mmunti no metimi atrase apa nyansa na makorakora ema na ye. Adwuma me ye da bia na me boka ekaya na bekumi meja mu uje mu abaye enye ye. In life, the fight doesn't get over. The fight has just started. Eba no aware mu usikasemu wapomudnemu wadwuma mu he otokwa wo boss to bia nya de bia no bepo asem he wo yire nya de bia no be de esafata wo wo kuntere bia no amina nanim abrabo ayo oko ene apedapedie enti ye nyai enkoda ba bi se yabomye. Don't allow life to knock you out of the race of life. Learn to stand firm and inspire yourself. Don't allow life to knock you out of the race of life. Life will hit you with storms, but stand firm and learn to meander yourself through it all. For when you overcome your challenges, you stand and say, I'm a champion. Abrabo hui, ayese miriketuo. Say yabo pr na kiti ebi tishe ebi sore ebi anamu abu ebi ya ba wa betimi agira nkete esi nkete no na brebrebe na akodo akonya ahomana nim yese wadi nkunim. And until nothing can stop you, the only thing that will stop you is you. In the race of life, in the battle of life, nothing can stop you. Not those standing by, not your parents, not the circumstances. The only thing that can stop you is you. Abraba yebu. Enye degree do awabo. Nye sika do awo. Ne betimi aka wahye eye wankasa. And I'm a kind of podcast and say nothing can stop you, but the only thing that will stop you is you. Let life give you a new power that says, I am broken, but I can stay with power and overcome it. Yes, I am broken. Yes, enkoye. Yes, I say. Yes, the abenda so no aticha pansam. I've lost it, but it doesn't mean my life has come to an end. Abrabo said that Tibiano, tragedy and trials will come to everybody. Tragedy and trials will come to everybody. Obrabomu bre any abrabomu ensohwe Any baby I didn't never to biara. There's only the strong and determined and focused, and those who seek wisdom and inspiration will get stronger to go past the obstacles of life. Only the strong, only the determined, only the focused, and those who seek wisdom and inspire themselves will go past the obstacles of life. And you one year when you have one dream, and 1 year we see Kete say obeyo. And 1 year one paba. And 1 year we pay nyansa ni Nkuranhyesem, and na ebegyina baba no edi nkunim. And a day, me the way jaw. Sa biri bi ababa be say no, empaba. Hya ho de Nkuranhyesem mu na giri si Kete pay nyansa na kire ho say abrabo de say na be kɔ no na me na megyina no edi nkunim ɛwɔ so. My life is not over yet, so I'm going to get through it. Catch on. My brother, my life is not over yet. I'm going to get through to the end. I mean, yeah, I mean, find Isaac, Richmond, Mark Weber, Priscilla, Adele, and a job I can do a production room. I mean, my son, I mean, that Michael and Osmosis, I mean, that Edmond and Thomas as our camera. I mean, that floor manager, MC, a phone lighting phone in answer. Well, I'm not sure, dear. Mimi, dear, I just saw Apostle Dr. Nkuranhyesem. Me, the Erade Ejao.